Hi everyone, it's Kathy Stroming, physical therapist with ReNu Physical Therapy and Wellness. And today I'd like to talk to you about the importance of gloves, using gloves to help protect our hands. Now I have with me my handy dandy gardening gloves, and yes, they're well used because I really do use my gloves. Now, a lot of people think of specifically gardening gloves as only being useful for keeping your hands clean to help get them less dirty while gardening. And whereas, yes, that is true, but more importantly, they help to protect our hands. For instance, from getting blisters, whether you're raking or doing other, gripping type activities. But they also protect us from getting little nicks or cuts, which allow or enable germs to enter our body to allow for sickness, infection, etc. So that's another important thing. One other really important function of gloves, whether we're talking gardening or in other types of gloves, which we'll talk in a minute, is that the inner part is usually kind of a grippy type surface, whether it's leather-like, etc. Why this is important is because it helps to grip whatever tool, whether you're using a rake or a trowel or whatever. It helps you to grip and hold better, and that then in turn requires less stress, less effort from us, less stress in the joints, less stress in the muscles, etc., to hold the tool to accomplish the task. And that's really important whether you have carpal tunnel syndrome, some tendonitis problems, arthritis, any other syndromes where you have pain in your hands. Now, this is also true for just everyday tasks. For instance, driving. Driving, especially if you're going to be more than just a few minutes behind the wheel, that's a lot of time holding the wheel. So it's really important to consider using driving gloves. My favorite pair, I can't find, but is a pair of leather driving gloves. But again, the leather material helps to grip the steering wheel so my hands don't have to hold quite so hard. Now, here in South Carolina or summertime anywhere, using full-fledged driving gloves seems impractical, but you can also use either weightlifting gloves, bicycling gloves, etc. They have the same leather-like surface, but also they also have the benefit of having a little padding at the palm of the hand, and that helps like if you're holding things and grabbing things. So just a hint for you. So consider using gloves more than you even think you should to help protect your hands, not just from dirt, but from straining, stressing the joints, the muscles, etc. If you have any questions, concerns, comments, please post below, or you can always message us. Thanks for watching.